Damn. Isn't she perfect? I think it's the perfect model. I think she needs something on the back though. Let's see what I can find. I think that one fits, but it needs some adjustments. Well, I'll give you a moment. Okay, so I have these airplane seats. I think they would fit awesomely on the back. So I have these guitar strings and they have like an amazing texture. I really want to use them for like pipes. I added 2 axes because she definitely needs some melee weapons. She already has the Alchemist grenade. Okay, hear me out, kind of a wild idea. I really want my Alchemist to have a ranged weapon. But I'm not sure I want to have it right from the beginning. So I'm thinking about making it removable. So maybe I can put a weapon in there and maybe put a little magnet in this part. I think that it would work. I don't know, let's try it out. Well, it worked. Surprisingly good. I mean, I ripped off some of the paint job, but that's alright. So I got a magnet inside of a backpack, that's great. I'm just gonna fix it up with some super glue. So this is from an old tin can. It's magnetic and it's really easy to cut with scissors. So I'm gonna use this to fix the gun on the backpack. You can just take it off. Put it back on. It's so nice. There's still something missing on the back of her. I want to connect this pipe to something. I added a base, I added some little bits at the back, like for example these ribbons right here. Those are individual grains of sand. Added a new antenna, but I'm thinking about what I'm going to do with the base now. And I found these wonderful zombie arms, and I'm thinking about them reaching out from the ground to grab the Alchemist. Well, that's it, I'm done. I really like how she turned out. I'm especially pleased with the zombie arms that are coming out from the mud. I think they add some really nice flavor. I'm also very happy with the pipe that's coming from the backpack and reaching into a mouthpiece. I hope you liked it as well.